next is Flemish bond. So we have to draw the elevation first. So how is the arrangements in the Flemish bond? All the layers you can see structure, then header, structure, then header. So coming to the second layer first brick, since here structure, we'll start with header. Then next, you can keep a structure over here. If you keep a structure, this joint will come one above the other. To avoid that, you have to keep the cube closer. Then structure, header, structure, header. Structure, header, structure, then header. Nowhere the joints won't come one above the other. Third layer, exactly same as the first layer. Structure, header, structure. Fourth layer, repetition of the second layer, that is header, enclosure, structure, header, structure. So that is the front view. Now I will draw the side. Since this is structure, if you look from here, which face will be visible? Will be visible header face. Here header, so the side you will be able to see structure. Now here you can keep a structure over here. If you keep a structure, here the joints will come one above the other. So to avoid that, Q closer, then structure, then header, and so on. Here header, then structure. So same thing will repeat. Header, Q closer, structure, header. Fourth layer, repetition of the second layer. So this is Flemish bond. Flemish bond. So first you will see the top view of the Flemish bond. If the width or the thickness of the wall is 1 brick, that is 20 centimeter.
Flemish bond 1 brick thick, that is 20 centimeter. One wall is constructed in this direction, another wall is constructed in this direction. This is inside the room and this is outside. Outside you see how the bricks are arranged. In the elevation you will be able to see for the first layer structure, header, structure, then header it will go like that. Side, header, hewn closer, then structure, header, structure, header it will go like that. So this is the top view.
So as usual, draw two parallel lines at 2 centimeter gap and mark it clearly. It has 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Here also 20 centimeters. First brick, structure. So the position of that brick in the plan, it is like this. Now if you move in this direction, next is header. So the brick is kept like this. Next is structure. Then only you can see the structure. If you keep the brick like this only, you can see structure in the elevation. Now if you move in this direction, second one is a Q closer. What is next? In the side view, structure. That means the brick is kept like this. So for making 20, you have to keep one more brick. Next is header. That means the brick is kept like this. Next is structure. That's all. So this is the plan of 1, 3, 5, etc. layers of 1 brick thick. 1 brick thick, that is 20 centimeter Flemish board. Now interchange the axis, same arrangement. You will get the second layer.
Flemish bond 1 brick thick, second layer. This is inside and this is outside. One wall is constructed in this direction, another wall is constructed in this direction. So this is the corner. Now you will see second layer, elevation, header, Q closer, structure, header, structure. From side you can see structure, header, structure, and so on. So top you will be able to see like this.
Now second layer. Second layer, as usual, draw two parallel lines at 2 centimeter gap in both direction like this. This represents the corner of the wall and mark it as 20 centimeter. Actual dimension 20 centimeter. Second layer, you can see header. So that means the brick is kept like this. Second brick, that is queen closer. Queen closer. Next is structure. So that means the brick is kept like this. How to make it 20? Keep one more brick here. Next is header. That means the brick is kept like this. Next is structure. So that will continue. If you move in this direction, first brick is already over structure. Next is side view, you can see header. That means that brick is kept like this. Then only you can see the header in the side view. Next is structure. Next is header. Next is structure. That's all. So this is the plan of 2, 4, 6, 8 layers of one brick thick, that is 20 centimeter Flemish board. Flemish board. Okay. Now next is 30 centimeter. Elevation will be the same, only the thickness is increasing. So as usual, draw two parallel lines at 3 centimeter gap in both direction like this and mark it clearly 30 centimeters. This side 30, this side also 30. To draw this, just remember the arrangements of brick at this corner. Here, this is a full brick, 20 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. In this direction, this is 10 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. 5 by 20, that is queen closer. 20 by 10, that is a full brick. This is 15, this is 10. What is that? 15 centimeter length, 10 centimeter width. That is 3 by 4 bat. So 3 by 4 bat is also utilized in this arrangement. If you remember this arrangement, that is the arrangement at the corner, the remaining is very easy. Only you try to remember this arrangement. Consider the elevation. Structure header. Structure header. What is next? Structure. That means the brick should be kept like this. Brick should be like this. Next is header. That means the brick should be like this. So here it is 30 centimeter, but full brick reach only up to here. Okay. Now to make it 30, keep one more brick here. So that may reach only up to here. So how to complete this? Keep another brick here. So full brick, full brick, full brick, full brick. So in between these 4 brick, you can see a spacing of 10 by 10. That is 10 by 10 means half bat. So in this arrangement, 3 by 4 bat plus half bat in addition to queen closer is also used. Repeat the same thing, that's all. Consider elevation, structure, header. Next is structure. Next is header. So the same arrangement will continue. The same arrangement in this direction also. This is header, so next should be structure. Next should be header. So if you keep a header, that will come only up to here. Now keep another brick like this, that may reach only up to here. So to complete that, keep one full brick here. So in between there is a space of 10 by 10, that is half bat. This will continue. That's all. So this is the plan of 1, 3, 5 layers of 1.5 brick thick Flemish board. Okay. Now just change the axis and draw the plan for the 2, 4, 6, 8 layers. centimeter. Here also 30 centimeter. So as in the previous case, remember this much details at the corner. The remaining will be easy. So consider the elevation. Header, queue enclosure, structure. Header, queue enclosure, next is structure. Next should be header. So keep the brick like this. So for making 30, you have to keep full brick here. So that may come only up to here. So keep another full brick here. So in between these 4 brick, there is a half bat. So this will continue. Full brick, then header. So in this direction also like this. So half bat here. Same pattern here. So structure, side view structure, then header. Next should be structure, then header. So total width is 30, full brick only 20, so up to here. So keep another full brick here, that will come only up to here, keep another full brick here. So half bat. So this will continue. So this is the plan of 2, 4, 6 layers of 1.5 brick thick Flemish board, 30 centimeter Flemish board. Now the last one is 40 centimeter, that is 2 brick thick Flemish board. Again, elevation will be the same. To draw the 40 centimeter Flemish board, that is 2 brick thick, you have to remember this much details. So this is 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter. You have to draw to scale. This is not to scale, only a rough sketch, only the shape. This is 5 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This is again 20 centimeters. So this is full brick. This is queue enclosure. This is 10 by 15, that is 3 by 4 bat. What about this dimension? That is 10 by 5, that is half of a queue enclosure. And here 10 by 10, that is half bat. So if you remember this much details, the remaining is very easy. So how to get the top view with respect to this elevation? Structure, header, structure. Structure, header, structure. Next should be header. So that means the brick is kept like this. So how to make it 40? Already one brick up to here 20. So keep one more brick here. Next is structure. So the brick should be kept like this. So how to make it 40? You keep 2 bricks like this and 1 brick like this. 40. Next is header. Consider this direction, side view header. So here we have already drawn. Next is queue enclosure, queue enclosure. Next is structure. That means that brick is kept like this. Okay. How to make it 40 here? So either we can keep 3 bricks like this or 2 bricks like this and 1 brick like this. So that will be the better arrangement. That's all. Next is header. Side you see header, closer, structure. Next is header. So brick arranged like this. Next is structure. Here also structure. So next is header. Next is structure. So that is the arrangement. So this is the plan of 1, 3, 5, etc. layers of 2 brick thick Flemish board. Now the top view for the second layer. Next is second layer for the 40 centimeter Flemish board. So as usual, draw 2 parallel lines to represent the corner of the wall. Mark it 40 centimeter. Then try to remember this much details at the corner. Then the remaining is very easy. Now consider the second layer, header, queue enclosure, structure. Header, queue enclosure. So next should be structure. Now how to make it 40 here? You keep 2 bricks in this direction and 2 bricks in this direction. Next should be header, structure. Next should be header. Next should be structure. So 2 bricks in the horizontal direction, 2 bricks in the vertical direction. Next is header. Next is structure. That will continue. So if you move in this direction, second layer, structure, header, then structure, then it should be header. That means the brick is kept like this. So for making 40, you have to keep 2 bricks. Then next is structure. So for making 40, you have to keep 2 bricks like this and 1 brick like this. Next is header. Next is structure. This will continue. So this is the plan of 2, 4, 6, etc. layers of 2 brick thick, that is 40 centimeter thick Flemish board. So we have completed 6 sketches in the Flemish board. 6 sketches in the English board, total 12 sketches. So there are mainly 4 types of bond in the arrangements, that is 4 types of bond. Structure bond, where you can see the structure face of the brick. In header bond, you can see the header face of the brick. And in English bond, you can see first layer full of structures, second layer full of headers. In Flemish bond, you can see structure and header in the all layers. And we have drawn the top view of the English bond 20 centimeter, English bond 30 centimeter, English bond 40 centimeter for a corner of the wall. Then we have seen the Flemish bond 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter for the corner of the wall, top view. Hope it is clear for you. Thank you.